there was a boy called SWAMY. He lived with his mother. They were very poor. They lived in a small hut. All they had was a cow. "Swami, you please go to market and sell our cow." "Okay, Mom, I'm going." On the way, Swami met a man. He was looking strange with a long beard and whiskers. He gave Swami magic beans and took the cow. Swami took the beans and went back home. "Mom, I sold the cow and got magic beans." "What? Magic beans? Are you mad, Swami? What will we do with these magic beans?" And she threw the beans out of the window. The next morning, Swami looked out of the window and was shocked. He saw a giant beanstalk in front of his house. It was very strong, like a tree. He went outside and started climbing the beanstalk. He climbed up to the sky through the clouds. There, Swami saw a beautiful castle. He went inside the castle. Swami heard a strange voice. "Fee, fi, fo, fun." Swami was frightened and ran into the cupboard. On the table, there was a hen and a golden flute. A big giant came into the room and stand near the table.
"Lay."
Said the giant. The hen laid an egg. It was a golden egg.
"Sing."
Said the giant. The flute began to sing. Soon, the giant fell asleep listening to the song. Swami jumped out of the cupboard. He took the hen and the flute. Swami ran and started climbing down the beanstalk. The giant came after Swami. "Mom, please help!" Her mother was shocked. She took an axe and chopped down the beanstalk. The giant crashed down on the ground. Nobody ever saw him again. And with the golden hen and the magic flute, Swami and his mother lived happily ever after.